Alright, just a little supplemental video to show you what we use to punch in that dryer vent. Didn't get a chance to do that the other day. I'm sure some would like to know some better tools. The most important tool that makes life easier is the SDS drill. Some call it a rotary hammer. Popular brands, Hitachi, Bosch. I'm using the Harbor Freight Chicago 1-inch rotary hammer, model 41983. You can get these things well under $100. They even come with the bits. If you guys have ever looked at buying any SDS bits and drills before, then you know that, like that one drill bit right there can cost you $70 for a Bosch or something. You know, for residential use and even some light commercial construction, these things I found to be great. You use them, you burn them up, throw them away. You know, if you were doing heavy construction, you know, concrete work every day, skyscrapers, that kind of thing, yeah, you'd want a Bosch or something, Hitachi. But for the average guy, this is more than you ever need. Makes life simple. Does a great job. Some polyurethane sealer, stays flexible. You don't have a problem with the seals getting a break or anything, caulking gun. I'm using a regular old framing hammer that's old. Don't care if it messes up a little bit. Choices there. You can use you know, masonry hammers, cold chisels, like. Kind of nice little trick is these tap cons. These things are great in masonry if you just take the time and do them right. I'm using the 3/16 and 1 1/4. I just want to, you know, hold that flashing from turning around in there, that dryer vent. And like I was saying on video, I like that flat head because it's going to pull up tight against that metal. The popular ones that you get are ones with bevel heads. That's just going to leave a little bit of a gap. I got the smaller kit because I wanted to get a different drill bit for this. I got a little longer drill bit so I could be back away from that protrusion of the dryer vent. So in that kind of thing, the longer drill bit is definitely better. Otherwise, your drill, you're going to be running up against the side of the dryer and having all those kind of issues. So it's well worth getting a longer bit. The one that matches this is the 5/36, 5/32, and with the 3/16 screws. The other day I used this old, basically a Ryobi regular old drill. It's not even a hammer drill, but that, you know, that block is pretty soft. As long as you're pulling out, emptying out that waste dust and going slow, you're fine. Obviously a better choice would have been the drill I used the other day, is the DeWalt hammer drill. It would have been even more effortless with this drill. I just didn't pull it out the truck. But yeah, it would have been better. Anyway, that's a little short list of tools to make life easier for a job like that. Thank you. Alright, here we go. On your spot, mark the hole. There we go. Marked out. Let's see. Yep. Heavy duty business. Drill it out first. It keeps it lubricated.
Yeah, I want to get it hot.
Cause she's gonna get hot, but that keeps it from burning up.
Yeah, so I do when I do metal work. Got warm stuff out here. I cut 2 yards this morning. I'm gonna go knock 2 more out in 2 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, she's gotten hot.
Yeah, I'm gonna start chilling out for a minute. I'm gonna unplug up my new toy.
There you go. It's all about having the tools.
Make life a lot easier, though.
Yep. Make a lot easier. But it's like anything. Tools cost money.
Yeah, I got a pole saw. And I trim trees up with pole saw.
Uh-huh.
I got a darn head trimmer cost me $600.
Yep.
Bad head trimmer though.
That's where, you know, a guy like you understands, but a lot of people don't understand.
No.
When you charge people what you charge them.
Yeah. I had to do a big job up in Richmond, man, a couple weeks ago, man.
And they just don't understand, you know, like tools, truck, all it costs money.
Yeah.
It's called SDS drill, or some people call it concrete drill.
Oh, they use concrete. Yeah, I bought a masonry for my skill saw. I cut a block in half, scared me death. She went through the block one like it was good. It scared me. I ain't never seen one like that.
Mm-hmm.
Got a custom patio walkway, a little patio block, cut it in half.
door. Come out the back door. Come out the back door.
What's the key in there?
Key for what?
Okay. Okay.
Back door, you have key for.
No, I don't.
You mean no, you
I
don't.
lost the key. That's what I'm trying to